National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dallas County in southwest Arkansas, Grant County in central Arkansas, extreme southeastern Hotspring County in southwest Arkansas, southwestern Jefferson County in southeast Arkansas, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located 3 miles southwest of Dogwood, or 11 miles southwest of Sheridan, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sheridan, Thiel, Prattsville, Poen, Leola, Lamont, Dogwood, Prague, Grapevine, Stevens Lake, Slowtown, Sheridan Municipal Airport, Millerville, Lenham, Juneau, Jenkins Ferry, Ivy, English Place. This includes Interstate 530 between mile markers 23 and 27. The National Weather Service in Little Rock